Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what the assistant must do and why that matters for users. Once decided, pick a model delivery: API for speed, open weights for control, or edge for privacy. Factor cost and latency. Next, prepare a small training set, 100 to 1,000 examples, labeled for intents and entities, and remove sensitive information. Make sure to define success metrics up front so your next experiments have clear targets and you can iterate fast. Once data and a model are ready, build the integration layer that manages context and state across turns. This keeps conversations coherent. Implement prompting strategies and retrieval-augmented generation if you need factual recall from documents. Connect backend systems with secure API keys, graceful retries, and observability for errors. Then iterate training, run few-shot tests, evaluate on held-out examples, and fine-tune only when validation improves. Make sure you deploy with a controlled rollout using canary releases and feature flags so problems affect few users. Once live, enforce authentication, input sanitization, rate limits, and audit logging to protect data and uptime. Monitor key metrics like latency, error rate, and task success. Alert on regressions. If something fails, reproduce the issue, inspect logs and traces, then roll back or push a targeted prompt or dataset fix. One key tip: if outputs degrade, reduce context size or revert recent fine-tunes before broader changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.